Let's start with our first topic, the GCP Console. There are 4 ways you can interact with Google Cloud Platform, and you'll be introduced to each in turn. The GCP Console, which provides a web UI, the Cloud SDK and Cloud Shell, which provide a range of command line tools, APIs for custom applications, and the Cloud Console mobile app. The GCP Console provides a web-based GUI for you to manage your GCP projects and resources. It serves as a centralized console for all of your project data and lets you execute common tasks using simple mouse clicks. This way, there's no need to remember commands, and there's no risk of introducing typing errors. When you use the GCP Console, the resources that you create are done so in the context of a specific project. You can create multiple projects, so you can use projects to separate your work in whatever way makes sense for you. For example, you might start a new project if you want to make sure only certain team members can access the resources in that project, while all team members can continue to access resources in another project. The GCP Console is also great for developers. Cloud source repositories provide Git version control to support the collaborative development of any application or service. The Cloud SDK is a set of command line tools for GCP. You can run these tools interactively or in your automated scripts. Cloud Shell also provides you with command line access to your cloud resources directly from your browser, but without having to install the Cloud SDK or other tools on your system. The utilities you need are always available, up to date, and fully authenticated when you need them. Cloud SDK and Cloud Shell will be discussed in more detail later in this module. The Cloud SDK also includes client libraries that enable you to easily create and manage resources. GCP client libraries expose APIs for 2 main purposes. App APIs provide access to services. Admin APIs offer functionality for resource management. From our browser, go to console.cloud.google.com. If you haven't already logged into your Google account, the system will prompt you to enter your credentials. After you log in, the GCP Console will display the details of your default project. All GCP services are accessible through the simple menu button in the top left corner. You can pin frequently used services to this menu. You'll have the opportunity to explore the GCP Console later through a hands-on lab.